another elevator here at the IKEA parking structure in Burbank, California. This is a Mitsubishi elevator. It's glass. It's Mitzi. What is it? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. This is Montgomery, I think. Look out the back. It's from 1998. This is Tri-County. I don't know. I hope we don't stop this much. This one seems maybe not as busy. No. Yeah. This one is definitely not as busy. It's strange enough. Could have sworn this one would have been busier. Barnes & Noble? Do they have an elevator? Probably not. I'm not exploring. Nope, there's a gym up there. This is the only elevator here. Phone? Viking. Alright, close it. Nope. Not want to get a crap load of people on. Cap view, very basic but nice stainless steel metal floor. 1998. Expired, lovely. 3,500 pounds. Wow, we're going non-stop. And watch the button go out. Go non-stop. Awesome. I think that was going to happen. 3,500 capacity. But this elevator is definitely much more worth riding. Adam Survivor fixtures. Well, this one would have been much more busy. Takes a little longer to 11 here. On your Jimmy out. Watch the close. Station Adam Survivor. There it goes. For my family. It's just machine. And that's it.